G'day. My name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia, and I'm trying to capture some of these birds having a feed here. I've got it with my main camera and all that, but what I'm trying to do is try to catch it with a 360 view and a close-up with the main camera. So at the present moment he's tucked over there eating. There's sounds like some pigeons coming down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this camera run, let them both run for a little while, and see if any birds actually do fly down there and have something to eat. Well, I do hope you like this video, so please subscribe. No, typical. Trust you, magpie. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.